Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to show you how we've made this beautiful lamp. We pondered a lot with some projects that we're trying to come up with R&J Creative Gifts, and we came up with this beautiful lamp, and we're going to show you how we produced and made it. This is actually one of the items that we're going to maybe sell at a craft fair in the near future.
All right, in this particular case, we used our xTool M1. There's a community group of M1 users where you're able to share files and so forth. And so we found the lamp and the files for cutting it within the community group. And I think we'll put that in a link below for those of you who are interested in doing this. It can also be used through Lightburn. So if you don't have an xTool M1, you can also use it for other lasers just as well. Now, the cut file itself is just for, in essence, the box. But what we're doing is we're customizing it by adding any kind of design. In this particular case, I found some images that are referred to as kumiko, which is a Japanese methodology of making screens with all kinds of designs that it's usually done with tiny pieces of wood that they put together. I cheated by using the laser, but nonetheless it came out really nice. Now, it doesn't have to be kumiko. You can actually take images of animals or anything else. So our idea is to be able to customize this and hopefully make lamps for people in a manner that they want. And if not, we're just going to make some other ones for design and see if people would like to purchase those as well. So we're going to go ahead and show you. Let's get right into it.
As mentioned in the intro, the cut files can be found on the xTool community board. Let's begin by setting up our M1. Cutting was the easy part. Now we're going to add the Shoji paper. Now we're going to assemble most of the lamp. Smooth move. And yes, it's actually that easy. xTools came out with a new version of their software. We're going to look around and look at the new features that are involved and then do an instruction video.
So until we meet again.
Bye-bye.